Number 1. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000, well-maintained and tastefully refurbished extended cab pickup that combines classic styling with modern updates. It has approximately 145,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean Indiana title. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, offering reliable performance and a satisfying drive. The truck is finished in a striking green exterior, complemented by a clean gray interior that maintains a factory-style look. Recent work includes a full rebuild and restoration, making it mechanically sound and visually appealing. It also features upgraded 20-inch wheels that give it a bold, aggressive stance, while the truck bed has been freshly sprayed with bed liner, ensuring durability and a clean finish. Number 2. 1975 Chevrolet K20, price $6,500. It is powered by a 400 small block Chevy engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, and it runs, drives, and stops as it should. The truck drives well on the highway and seems to be most comfortable cruising at around 55 miles per hour. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior features a striking red color combination. While the body shows its age with some lower rust areas and a few dents, it is overall in good shape for a vehicle of this vintage. The floors appear to be solid, and the four-wheel drive system operates properly, making it capable both on and off the road. This K20 has had a cab swap from a 1980s model, which has allowed for the inclusion of desirable features such as power windows and power door locks. Additional amenities include a working heater, functioning radio, and operational lights. It rides on brand new tires and comes with a clean title in the current owner's name. Number 3. 1988 Toyota Regular Cab, price $6,500. It features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, with a rugged green exterior and an interior that could use some detailing to bring it back to form. The truck is equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain and manual locking hubs. One unique aspect of this truck is its fiberglass bed, which includes a steel bed floor. According to the previous owner, this bed has been on the vehicle since 1991. The frame is impressively solid and would easily be rated 9 out of 10. However, at some point in the truck's history, the passenger side leaf spring mount was replaced using a part from a different vehicle. The truck runs, drives, and stops decently. All the lights, turn signals, and basic electrical functions are in working order, although some of the wiring has been patched together in a less than standard way. The exhaust system has a few leaks, but the tires are newer and still in great condition. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1983 Chevrolet LUV, price $9,999. This truck is a rare find that combines classic style with dependable function. With 150,000 miles on the odometer, it features a blue exterior and a manual transmission that gives it a true vintage driving feel. The truck is equipped with functional lockout hubs and a 4x4 system that works flawlessly, making it capable both on and off the road. The body is solid with no bondo and only minor rust, a testament to its well-preserved condition. While the interior could use some attention, specifically the seats and dashboard, the overall structure remains intact. Despite these small cosmetic needs, this Chevy LUV drives straight and true, offering an honest and reliable experience behind the wheel. Number 5. 1986 Chevrolet K10, price $10,000, originally came from the factory with a 6.2L diesel engine, but it has since been upgraded with a robust 454 V8 gasoline engine, offering significantly more power and performance. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission for easy driving and retains its timeless appeal with a white exterior paired with a beige interior. While the body remains mostly rust-free, a rare find for its age, the paint is showing signs of age and could benefit from a refresh. Still, the overall structure is solid, making it a great candidate for restoration or use as a weekend cruiser. The Silverado runs and drives as it should, but like many classics, it needs a bit of care to bring out its full potential. Number 6. 1996 Ford F150, price $3,800, well-maintained truck with 136,000 miles on the odometer. It features a bold red exterior paired with a gray interior, and is powered by a 5.0 EFI V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission. As a rear-wheel drive pickup, it runs and drives great, making it an excellent choice for daily use or weekend projects. Recently, the truck has undergone several important mechanical updates, including new ball joints, spark plugs and wires, wheel bearings, rotors, calipers, and brake pads. A sway bar is also included for added stability and handling. In the spirit of full transparency, there is some rust in the typical areas for a Ford of this era, specifically on the cab corners, the rear wheel well lips, and the front fenders. Number 7. 1985 Ford F350, price $6,900, featuring a white exterior, blue interior, automatic transmission, and long bed. It runs on gasoline and retains the iconic square body design. The frame is solid with minimal rust, rare for a Rust Belt truck of this age, and it has been lifted and repainted for added presence. Under the hood is a powerful 460 big block V8 paired with a rebuilt C6 automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include long tube headers, a Holley carburetor, custom side pipe exhaust with glass packs, and a high output starter. It's loud, aggressive, and built to turn heads. Cooling is handled by a new 4-core aluminum radiator and dual electric fans. A gear vendor's overdrive improves highway cruising. And the fuel system has been fully replaced with new tanks, straps, lines, sending units, and a frame-mounted electric fuel pump. Recent maintenance includes suspension, steering, brakes, hoses, and fluids, making this lifted F350 both a dependable driver and a standout classic. Number 8. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It runs on gasoline and shows approximately 190,000 miles on the body, but the current 5.7L Vortec V8 engine has around 140,000 miles on it. The owner originally planned to do an engine swap but decided it was beyond their budget, so they opted to install this Vortec motor instead. The engine has been upgraded with a new spider injector, and all sensors have been replaced, contributing to smooth performance. The air conditioning system is functional, the compressor is in good condition, and the AC worked for about 2 weeks after it was filled. It likely needs a new O-ring or minor service, but the current owner hasn't had time to address it. Cosmetically, the truck is in solid shape with no rust, though it has the expected scratches from years of use. Number 9. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, finished in a green exterior with a gray interior. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with a reliable 4WD system and a strong V8 engine that has only 20,000 miles on a fully rebuilt motor, including brand new cylinder heads. It also has a newly rebuilt transmission from A&G Transmission in Modesto, with fewer than 20 miles on it. The truck just passed a smog check with ease 2 days ago, and the air conditioning system works exceptionally well. It rides on high-quality Michelin at 2 all-terrain tires, which still have approximately 80% tread life remaining. Although the odometer reads 226,000 miles, the key mechanical components are fresh and dependable. The vehicle comes with a spare key and the original owner's manual. Number 10. 1985 Ford F250, price $6,000, equipped with a 351 Windsor engine. It has just received brand new cylinder heads, an intake manifold, and a new distributor, ensuring strong performance. With 107,000 original miles on the odometer, it still runs great and gets its owner to and from work without issue. The truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It has a white exterior paired with an all-original blue interior that's in good shape for its age. Both fuel tanks are fully functional, and while the air conditioning does not currently work, the vehicle remains a dependable daily driver. The tires still have plenty of life left in them. It comes with a clear blue Texas title, already in the owner's name, making for a smooth and easy transfer.